special marine warning from the National Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 7:45 p.m. At 6:45 p.m., the radar indicated a line of thunderstorms capable of producing dangerous winds in excess of 50 knots and small hail from 13 nautical miles northeast of Calumet Harbor to 13 nautical miles southwest of Gary, moving southeast at 30 knots. These thunderstorms will be near Lake Michigan from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City, Indiana, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake around 7 o'clock p.m. Burns Harbor to Michigan City in around 7 o'clock p.m. Boarders should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 o'clock p.m. Friday evening for northeastern Illinois and northwest Indiana.